You recall in part 1 video of this series in step 3 I explained how to engage your oneness power and dissolve your barriers as follows. Invest quality time into embracing your oneness with God. Look at yourself in the mirror and focus on seeing God in you, in your eyes, inside you, everywhere, all around you. Meditate and pray throughout your day, journal, contemplate key God moments along life's journey, and ask God to revive your relationship with Him, everything and everybody in His universe or universes. Ask God to walk and talk with you while you sleep, and journal everything He tells you as you're still in bed, opening your eyes. Before you start your day, look in the mirror again and see God in and around you. Commune with God like this every day, and immediately you'll start feeling, seeing, and taking your rightful place in God. Continue this. Stay in your birthright power, especially when your barriers pop up. Creep in, whenever your buttons are pushed, triggered, and so on. Practice every day, stay in your power, and dissolve the barriers placed upon you. Today, in part 2 of this series, I want to take you deeper and elaborate on your oneness with God. I want you to transmute your oneness into powerful warfare, tools, and equipment to be used at your will, to conquer the lifelong barriers imposed against you by darkness from the authority figures and the 1% in your life. In my 1978 visit from Christ, my tears started popping out of my eyes the instant that Jesus came into my room. This is because of the same profound connectedness and oneness that I described to you above. The word love best describes that profound feeling of connectedness and oneness, yet not completely, because human love is riddled with jealousies, fears, abandonment, and the pains associated with the human experience of tainted love. Again, when Jesus visited me in 1978, I experienced the true meaning of love, oneness, connectedness with everything and everybody, always and everywhere. In other words, I experienced omnipresence, omnipotence, and omniscience. I experienced being in God's image and likeness. I want you to transmute your oneness love into powerful warfare tools and equipment to be used at will 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, to conquer the barriers imposed against you by darkness from the authority figures and the 1% in your life. Also, love yourself because that's who you'll be spending the rest of your life with. In closing, do you want to rediscover your birthright oneness and power beyond measure, as God's image and likeness without religion? Discover and dissolve barriers like anxiety, fear, insecurity, betrayal, abandonment, confusion, poverty, addictions, and isolation? Experience 24/7 support and accountability to become who and what you always wanted to be in a non-religious environment. If you're interested, click the links in the description to start today. 24/7 Empowerment offers 2 powerful synergies in person and online. 1 24/7 personal empowerment teams, and 2, the world's first non-profit empowerment platform to revive your soul and fund your life. This is a brand new channel. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share with friends and family to spread this message.